The V53 MINI Drone is an entry-level quadcopter designed for beginners and casual flyers. With a focus on portability and ease of use, this drone is perfect for those new to the world of aerial toys. Its combination of optical flow positioning, obstacle avoidance, and a variety of camera options makes it a great gift for kids and aspiring pilots. Compact and foldable design. The V53 MINI is incredibly small, with dimensions of just 10 by 10 by 5 centimeters when unfolded. This tiny, lightweight design, with a takeoff weight of only 62 grams, makes it highly portable and easy to carry on any adventure. Optical flow positioning and obstacle avoidance. For a stable and safe flight, the V53 MINI utilizes optical flow positioning. This feature helps the drone maintain its position, making it easier for beginners to control. It also includes an obstacle avoidance system to help it navigate around potential collisions, ensuring a safer flying experience. High-definition camera options. The drone is available with several camera options, including a powerful 8K HD camera. This allows you to capture stunning photos and videos from the sky. The 2.4G Wi-Fi connectivity provides a real-time FPV experience, with an image transmission distance of up to 50 to 80 meters. Extended flight time and user-friendly controls. The V53 MINI is powered by a 3.7V smart lithium battery, providing a flight time of approximately 13 to 18 minutes on a single charge. The drone is controlled via a standard remote or a 4.5-inch screen remote, depending on the package you order. The control distance is up to 150 meters in an interference-free environment. Durable and safe for kids. Made from durable ABS and electronic components, the V53 is built to withstand minor bumps and crashes. Its compact size and safety features make it an ideal toy for children who are just starting to learn about drones. In summary, the V53 MINI Drone is an excellent choice for a beginner's quadcopter. Its combination of a portable design, optical flow positioning, and obstacle avoidance makes it a safe and easy-to-fly toy. With its high-definition camera options and a respectable flight time, the V53 MINI is a great gift for anyone looking to get started in the world of drones. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more drone reviews, tips, and tutorials.